So let's begin. So hi Miss Neha, how are you? I am also good. First of all, let us know why have you not attended many sessions? Give us answer today.
Because I am hesitant to speak in front of all people, uh, and also I will not attend the last session. Sir had the session, but I come on institute, but I am not come on the stage because of hesitation. I was waiting for my turn, but the time was over.
So what lesson did you learn?
Time not wait for you. You will grab the chance.
Okay. Did you ever miss any great opportunity in your life except the last one? You have never missed any opportunity. Okay. So how do you see your life after marriage?
Life is very difficult after marriage because you have managed all the things uh, as uh, as you want to study after marriage. It is very difficult, but as you have a supportive family and as a supportive partner, you will do anything. But at last year, I was go in a institute, in a computer institute, and I have a friend. She is a housewife, and I was not any pressure at that time. So I think she is not come. She was not come at many times. So I was telling that why you not come in the institute. But I feel the same.
Now?
Now I feel the same because I have also no time.
Okay. So, what do you expect from the society or from the family that a bride should get some time for her study or for her self development?
Yes, because if she is not study at that time, she will be a failure in future. All family have to understand the thing that we should give at least 2-3 hours for study. And if they gave a admission in any institute, then be care of her time, that she should attend the session or her class at exact time.
Do you think a life of a girl ends very quickly in Bharat? Means she has very short life. She goes to school, goes to college, does job or not, she gets married and the life ends.
Yes, I also agree this thing that we born a girl, and we think that she's at the age of 15. The parents think that she is very.
She has grown up.
She has grown up.
15 to 50 directly.
She has grown up, and they think that we will get married at in short time. And also it is also girl mistake that they misuse the freedom of her parents. Because of many girls, the parents think that we should marry the girl at the age of 15 or 16 because she can do anything when we get freedom.
Okay. I have one question for you. Speak as much as you can and don't think about the platform. What do you want to say about the boys those don't know household chores? What do you want to say about the boys? Those don't know household chores. Means they don't know cook food, they don't know how to make tea. Means they can't take tea themselves. They need in their bed. They can't prepare even tea or Maggie.
Yes, I also see in my house. My brother also do these type of things. He don't know anything in the about the kitchen. He say that girl लड़के काम करें.
Okay, girls are meant to do work.
Girls are made for do work, but my husband is not of this type. He never say me to make tea for me. He also offer me that you want tea or not.
When I was a child, so in my family, I remember today, although I'm a good boy now, I know cooking. I can do all household chores, even I can mop, I can broom, I can do everything in today's time. But when I see my past, I was in my bed and my sister used to come get my plate after finishing food. Means I did not go to kitchen to keep the plate. Today I realize I exploited my sister, I tortured her, she did not get rights. So you think that all boys should learn cooking so they can help their wives in future when both are working?
Yes, because you don't know how type of girl
You will get.
you will get.
She will not prepare chapati for you. It is a threaten. You are giving a threat to them or
Yes.
advice to them.
I give advice to all the boys because you don't know what is written in your destiny. If you if you get a small fight with your wife, then she say make your food by yourself.
I'm going to Nike. Okay, is there anything you want to tell about your life? Anything that you want to tell us?
I want to tell you all the boys who is in front of me that please care your
Loved ones?
please care your family as well as your sister, and if you are married, then you will
Also care your wife.
you will also care your mother and also your wife,
Why wife name at last?
because both are important, but mother is most important because she borns you,
She gives you birth.
she gives you birth, so she is most important
More than wife.
more than life.
Okay. Well done, clap.